In a world where joy can sometimes be hard to find, one man and his red-nosed reindeer set out on an extraordinary mission. Deep in the heart of the North Pole, Santa Claus with Rudolph by his side is busy all year. Their destination? The hearts and homes of children across the globe. As the sleigh soars over moonlit skies, Santa descends upon streets where laughter is rare, bringing light to the darkness with each gift he bears. In lands torn by war, amidst silence and sorrow, Santa's arrival whispers of a brighter tomorrow. His journey takes him to bedsides of ailing children, where his ho 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 and Merry Christmas echo, turning pain into smiles and despair into hope. And in the snowy realms, through chimneys he travels, each stop a testament to a spirit that never unravels. This is the story of Santa Claus, a tale of love, joy, and a cause that defies all odds. Join us in this magical journey and remember, ho ho ho, Merry Christmas! Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more enchanting tales.